quicker.
Hi guys, today we are doing a texturized French hairstyle and I'm here with Tobias and Mette. Let's get to it.
Quicker.
I'll leave you here in peace, since I know you know I care. You overlook my strength, don't make me get my fangs out. I know you thought I'd stay out. Don't try your disappearing act. No, I won't stand for that. One chance is all you get before you get the axe. Try your disappearing trick, I won't put up with it. I know you think you're quick, but I'll leave you here in peace, since I know you know I care. You overlook my strength, don't make me get my fangs out. I know you thought I'd stay out. Don't try your disappearing.
Alright guys, the hairstyle is done. Tobias, how do you like it?
I like it a lot.
And Mette, you did a really good job.
Thank you.
And guys, as always, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle. And also hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.